Kodwa kanye nasolwa naye bavele enkantolo yamacala akhethekile Palmridge ekuruleni namhlanje, kodwa icala lahlehliselwa umhla ziyishumi kuMandulo.
The court will agree to postpone the matter until the 10th of September. Back to this court, 8:30, 10 September, this court 8:30. It is to allow for the outcome of the escalated representations by accused number 1.
Ukubambezeleka kwaleli cala kungenxa yokuthi uMackay unikele kumqondisi wokushushiswa kwamacala omphakathi efuna ukuthi esulwe amacala abhekene nawo. Akaqali ke ukwenza lokhu njengoba esebuya kunhloko yamacala akhethekile eyocela ukuthi yenze okufanayo kodwa nakhona bamchitha.
The postponement for today is basically for accused number 1 to escalate his representations to the office of the Director of Public Prosecutions.
uMelika kodwa ukhala ngokubambezeleka kwaleli cala.
These allegations hanging over his head are damaging to him reputationally, politically, and just as a human being.
Ukodwa ungaphandle ngebheyili enkulungwane engamashumi amarandi. Ubhekene necala lokukhwabanisa imali engu-1.6 wezigidi. Okusolwa ukuthi wayinikezwa nguMackay njengentshontsho ukuze angenelele ohlelweni lokwabiwa kwemisebenzi kahulumeni.